a picture.
Well, a very good morning to you, Alva. Certainly the family of Mido Macia have been waiting for about 2.5 years for this trial to get underway. You would know that there's been massive criticism relating to the massive postponements and delays in this matter. And Mido Macia's family, in fact, the landlord that he stayed with for so many years, came to court this morning with the hope that this trial would get underway eventually. But it was not to be. This matter has again been postponed to tomorrow. Basically, the prosecution and the state as well are saying that they would find much more speedy ways of bringing this trial to an end. That was, of course, granted by Judge Bert Bam, and that was granted. We'll be back here tomorrow morning again. But certainly you would recall those very graphic images back in 2013 when we saw Mido Macia being dragged behind a police van. In fact, those visuals went viral, sparking an international outcry as well about what happened. You recall, of course, at the time that the allegation that was being made is that the police officers were trying to get Mido Macia, who was a taxi driver in Daveyton, off the road. He was alleged to have been obstructing some of the traffic, and that's how that whole incident got underway. But I'm going to chat now to Batanisile Ngwenya, who in fact, Mido Macia lived in her yard in Daveyton for many years, and she's been coming to court every single time, hoping that this case will get underway and that there'll be some kind of justice or finality in this particular matter. Mama Tanisile, thank you very much for joining us this morning. Mama, kudala usihluse inyuka kulama court, hoping that this matter gets underway. Kwanamhlanje futhi uzophinda ubuyele ekhaya engekahlali.
Kunzima kakhulu ukuthi uhambe indlela ingaphumeleli. Nginethemba lokuthi njoba namhlanje balibuyisele emuva licala, kusasa kukhona okuzokwenzeka. Angeke siphume njoba siphumile namhlanje. Nginethemba lokuthi kusasa kukhulu okuzokwenzeka, lokuzokwenza ukuthi nathi siyifamily sijabule sithokoze. Sibona ukuthi owethu umntwana njoba lele lapha emathuneni kukhona okwenzekayo ngemuva ngaye, ngoba nefamily le Mozambique ayikho right kwasathina namhlanje njoba sila kuvuka isilonde besivalekile siqalela phansi manje futhi siyavuleka.
Mama, it's been 2.5 years, and you've just indicated that these wounds, every time you've got to come back to court, reopen. Is that the indication that perhaps, as a family, you're waiting for closure, you want something to happen, and you want justice ultimately to prevail?
Yebo kunjalo khona. Yabona njengoba sidla icourt kuvuleka izilonda, kuyi2.5 years lokhu licala lingakhulumeki. Namhlanje yazi silinde ukuthi i-judgment iphumelele, sizwe ukuthi athina amajaji kufane nabo Pretorius okukwenzeka izinto kubo, nathi asifane nabo makungahlukaniswa izinhlanga zabantu, ngoba masingabantu sonke igazi liyafana nenyama iyafana, singama South African sonke. Yazi amajaji awenze lokhu esikufunayo thina ukuze siphole, ngoba makulokhu kunje angeke siphole.
That is Batanisile Ngwenya. She is the landlord of Mido Macia. Mido Macia lived in a yard for many years, and she took him as a child, grew him up as well as he'd been living in South Africa for many years. And she's certainly saying, just to summarize there, Elvis, that every single time she comes back to court, those wounds reopen. It's been 2.5 years that they've been waiting for this matter to begin, or the trial, in fact, the murder trial, to begin at this court. And she says every single time those wounds open up again. She's also making reference, you heard there, to the Oscar Pistorius trial. She says what happened in the Oscar Pistorius matter should happen in this matter. Of course, she implying there that that case was quite speedy. It seems that justice was done in that particular matter. So she'd want the same to be done in this particular matter. Of course, they're questioning why this case has been postponed several times. She says she hopes that when we return to this court tomorrow, that eventually this trial will get underway. Just to bring you up to speed as well, the 9 accused also arrived in court this morning. It was quite a brief appearance, as I indicated, and we'll be back here again tomorrow morning. But certainly certainly no closure for this family anytime soon, as they've clearly indicated through Patanisile Wenya, who is the landlord where Mido Macia had lived in Davidton.